Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off fingerprint feature on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys previously used the fingerprint feature to lock the screen or application, and if you want to delete the registered fingerprint or you want to turn off the fingerprint feature, so you can do it easily guys. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to security and privacy. And after that, now you can click on screen lock. And then here, now you can click on fingerprint. And then now you can remove the fingerprint. And so yeah, the fingerprint feature will turn it off. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.